waiting for the storms to come, and we've kind of been following this risk for severe weather for the last couple of days, and right before 5 o'clock, Storm Prediction Center did issue that severe thunderstorm watch. I promised the county outline, and here it is for you. Does include Indianapolis, does include Plainfield, does include Greenfield and Newcastle and points north. So basically along and north of Interstate 70, severe thunderstorm watch until midnight. In addition to that watch, we have a flash flood watch in effect for the far northern part of our viewing area. This will include Kokomo, Peru, Marion over toward Hartford City and points north. We are forecasting that potential for some heavy rain associated with these thunderstorms. Where we get the heavy rain, flash flooding will quickly occur. In addition to that, damaging wind, large hail, and the coverage, we think, in terms of storm coverage, will start to increase over the next several hours. This is live Doppler 13 radar right now, showing a little bit of rain. So the back edge now starting to move out of North Vernon. We were tracking one storm across parts of Miami County. That has made its way to Wabash. Swayze, it looks like it's going to stay north of you. We've got another one developing just to the northwest of Logansport. We do expect more coverage of the thunderstorm activity to continue to build with the heat of the afternoon across the northern parts of our state, back through northern Illinois, even into parts of Iowa. This is a complex storm system that we're going to continue to track. Local analysis with SkyTrak 13 shows the better chance for widespread shower and thunderstorm activity arriving late tonight and continuing through the early part of tomorrow. Remember, all of these thunderstorms will contain heavy rain and lightning. Some will contain some damaging winds and large hail. This weather pattern, much like last week, is going to be stuck. We've got heat, humidity, and storm chances in the forecast for the entire week. 84 degrees by lunchtime tomorrow. High temperatures will be in the middle and upper 80s. We'll forecast 86 in Indianapolis, but 90 degrees in Columbus tomorrow afternoon. And speaking of tomorrow, like today, there will be another round of showers and thunderstorms possible, and that threat for some strong to severe storms. And really, this weather pattern isn't forecast to change until the weekend. So keep the umbrellas handy, stay weather aware, make sure you have our app because you can actually track the storms with us, live Doppler 13 radar from your phone, and that's going to be important over the next couple of days. 86 and stormy tomorrow. Storm chances still in the forecast for Wednesday and Thursday, near 90 degrees. Heat index values may near 100. Scattered storms Friday, much like last weekend. Sunshine is back for the upcoming weekend with highs in the 80s. I'll have another look at live Doppler 13 radar in a few minutes.
It's feeling very